Hi there, Marissa here from AddEvent. Just wanted to pop in and show you how you can add an embeddable calendar to your HubSpot landing page. Right here, I've just gotten this temporary HubSpot landing page up and running for an example calendar of events. This is a use case for a conference, so let's go ahead and jump right in. I'm going to drive over to my marketing landing page in HubSpot, hit this edit button, and go ahead and search in the modules for rich media, rich text. I'm going to drag that right here where I want it. And let's go ahead and just delete this content because I actually don't care about the words. Instead, I want to insert and hit embed. Now I'm going to go over to my AddEvent calendar page. This is my example conference calendar that I put together. You can see here that it's just pretty basic, has a few events on here, nothing too crazy. And I'm going to jump back to the example conference calendar page. If you scroll to the bottom, there's quite a bit. You've got, the buttons, the links, all that jazz that you're used to. You may or may not have scrolled down this far before. There is an embeddable calendar that you can go ahead and embed into your landing page or website. And then there's also the embeddable events list for your landing page or website. Since this is specifically a pretty narrow list of events that we want to show, it might be too much to have the full calendar displayed. Since this is just like 1 or 2 days of events, I'm going to go ahead and do the embeddable events list. I'll first click this quick customize button, and now you can see the example pop up. And you can basically change, what you want on the sidebar. So if you want to add the location, I don't have any location in my example, so I'm not going to. You can put the time zone, you can put, what have you. So like you can see the little time zone just got added. Event countdown, that's kind of fun. No stress, you can always come back and edit it. So right now, I am in this right here, and you'll notice that there's a copy code button on the top right corner. I'm going to click that copy code button, and now I'm going to pop back over into HubSpot and paste my embedded code, and then hit the insert button. It's going to take just a minute for it to process what is happening. I don't know if your guys' HubSpot runs slow. Sometimes ours gets a little bit delayed, but no stress, it will pop through eventually. So we can see this is now on here. I'm going to go ahead and update this landing page and update it immediately. And let's go ahead and go to our example conference page now. So if you are similar to what just happened with me, where you clicked into it and it hasn't yet refreshed, try doing a Command R for a hard refresh. Sometimes it just needs to cache, that out a bit. So there we go. Just did a hard refresh, and we are all good now. We can see that this is in here as anticipated. Again, feel free to, customize this events list as you please, but I hope this was helpful. In case you didn't know what the events list, customers or guests or whomever you're working with will go ahead and be able to add this to their calendar, and it will create their own calendar that they can follow along with. Because I have required details, that's why it takes me back to this landing page, as opposed to if I didn't require RSVP details, then it would just take me straight to my calendar. Last thing, if you click into these individual events, it will just take you to the individual event. So if people just want to add one specific session instead of all of them, they are more than welcome to. This is handy for things like, multiple different tracks on a day. So hope this was helpful. Please let us know if you have any questions. Feel free to email support@addevent.com. And if not, enjoy embedding your calendar lists.